In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to create a YouTube video in minutes, but first of all, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click that like button. Okay, let's get started by clicking on Generate Story Video. The next screen will give you an option to manually enter your own script. If you are lazy like me, there is an AI script button on the top that you can use to generate a script for you within a few clicks. Click on the AI script button. Enter a topic of your choice. In this example, I'll enter basketball. Select a tone from either funny, serious, or informative. I'll select informative. Enter a video hook. In this example, I will enter the hook, "Did you know basketball was invented in?" Next, you will have the choice of selecting the script length of your choice. Once selected, click on Generate Script and your script will be generated in a few minutes. If you are happy with the script, click on Next. Next, you will have several options of subtitle templates to choose from. Select one and click on Next. Select a background video. I will leave it as the default one and click Next. Next, you will have a number of high-quality AI voices to choose from. I will select Dan. Click Generate Story. The video will be generated in minutes, so sit back and relax.
A few moments later.
Your video has been created. Let's click on the play button and listen to the video.
Exploring the origins of basketball.
Did you know basketball was invented in Springfield, Massachusetts by Dr. James Naismith in 1891? It started as a simple game with peach baskets and a soccer ball. Over the years, basketball has evolved into a global phenomenon, with the NBA being one of the most popular leagues worldwide. The fast-paced nature of the game, the thrill of the buzzer beaters, and the athleticism of the players make basketball a truly captivating sport.
The voiceover actually sounded pretty good. Once you are happy with the video, click on the export button and your video can be exported and available for you to download. Say goodbye to complex editing software and hours of frustration. With Crayo AI, you can generate high-quality videos in a fraction of the time. This is the fastest way to create a video in minutes. Even beginners will be able to dive into the world of video creation. If you're interested, click on the link below to create your account and get started today.